Okay people, here is one heck of a boat. It's 32 inches long, ITO or TMY, KMK, whatever, called this the PT boat. It looks more like a battleship, but it's a, it's got the 4 torpedoes, etc. And then the AA guns. I totally restored this thing from, it wasn't too bad a shape, but it was missing everything. I mean, all the aluminum bulb holders on the decks, all 5 were gone. The main gun was gone. It was missing from the cabin, so I made a new one. I made all aluminum holders. I put light bulb sockets in there, so now all you got to do is unscrew the bulb. You don't have to unsolder it if it burns out. They're 3-volt bulbs. I colored the lenses and everything. Replaced the front mast, the flag. Totally stripped it, repainted it, polished everything. Replaced all the grommets for the or the eyelets for the windows. Polished up the railing, replaced the spotlight, replaced the mast. That's a new old stock mast. I replaced all the AA gun barrels with nails. They were little wood dowels that were all broken, so I put nails in them this time. They won't break now. I had to make one torpedo because it was missing. I had to make some depth charges. They were missing. Everything's been painted, rewired. Now here it is with the lights on. I mean, it's really cool. It's beautiful. I mean, I never really messed with these boats before, but after I restored the regular PT boat, and then this sucker, this puppy's big. It's 32 inches long. I also made a nice stand for it. And anyway, I polished up the lifeboats and all the davits and stuff because they're brass, and they were painted white originally, but I like the brass look better. But you know, whatever. So sue me. But anyway, I got it all wired up. She runs like a top. Now this comes off. And inside, there's a light bulb for the cabin. Now they only lit up part of the cabin on this boat. So anyway, there's the motors. 2 big horseshoe motors. I cleaned them, polished them, replaced them. You can't see up inside there too much, but all the stuff, hardware for the switches, luckily it was all there. I took them all apart individually, polished them all up. They're brass. This will all be on a video on YouTube shortly that I'm putting together about how I restored this boat. And it takes what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 batteries to run. One set. This set here is for the cabin light. This is for the deck lights. This is the slow speed for the motor, and then the 3 on that side are for the high speed. Now listen to this puppy, it's loud. This is the low speed. Now here's high speed. I mean, that sucker probably moves through the water pretty good. Anyway, I made the little life preservers. Those are new old stock. A lot of stuff, a lot of fittings on this boat. Oh, I had to make one of these AA guns too. It was missing. There's the gun I made for the deck. A lot of fittings. The antenna is new old stock. Anyway, it's a nice boat. I really like this thing a lot. It came out great. I've had it for a year. It took me that long because I did, part-time here and there. But anyway, you'll see the restoration pretty soon on YouTube. And I'm going to box her up, send it back to the customer this Monday. So I'm sure he's going to be shocked considering the way it looked when I got it. So anyway, there she is. 32-inch PT boat, made around 1950, I would guess, judging by the motors, maybe 49 or 48 because of the horseshoe motors. Later ones had CAD motors. Anyway, she's a beautiful boat. Well, thanks for all your kind comments about my restorations on my boats. You see them all on rccraft.com. Thanks and have a nice day.